Welcome to this video where we will explore garlic's top 10 health benefits. Garlic is a staple in most kitchens and is used as a flavor enhancer in many dishes. But did you know that it has many health benefits? This amazing ingredient is more than just a flavor addition to your meals. It's a powerful ingredient that can greatly improve your overall health and well-being. If you're looking to make positive changes to your health and lifestyle, you don't need to follow a crazy diet or go to the gym every day. Instead, incorporating garlic into your diet is a simple and natural way to make a big impact on your health. In this video, we will dive into the science behind garlic and how it can improve our health. From fighting off the common cold to improving athletic performance and preventing cancer, garlic is a versatile ingredient that offers a wide range of health benefits. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to learn about the amazing health benefits of garlic. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a video from us. Number 10. Combats the common cold. Garlic has been proven to relieve the symptoms of the common cold, reducing the duration of sickness from 5 days to just 2 days. Studies have also shown that taking garlic supplements daily can reduce the number of reported cases of the common cold by 63%. Number 9. Helps prevent Alzheimer's. With the growing cases of Alzheimer's and dementia, it's more important than ever to protect our brain from oxidative damage. Garlic has powerful antioxidant properties that help protect the brain and fight off oxidative damage, preventing Alzheimer's disease. Number 8. Improves athletic performance. Garlic is a natural way to enhance athletic performance, reducing exercise-induced fatigue and allowing athletes to work at a higher intensity for longer. A study showed that taking garlic reduced peak heart rate during exercise by 12%, making it a safe and natural alternative to performance-enhancing drugs. Number 7. Heals splinters. Splinters can be a pain, but did you know that garlic can help heal them? Simply cut a clove of garlic and tape it over the splinter overnight. It might sound strange, but it really works. Number 6. Improves bone health. Garlic can improve our bone health by increasing levels of estrogen in the body. It helps minimize bone loss and promotes bone growth and strength, making it especially beneficial for those with osteoarthritis. Number 5. Lowers cholesterol levels. Garlic has been shown to lower cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. Studies have shown that taking garlic supplements reduces low-density lipoprotein levels by up to 15%. Number 4. Prevents cancer. Garlic has been shown to help prevent cancer by slowing the growth of tumor cells and managing cell division. It is especially good for preventing stomach and prostate cancers. Number 3. Boosts immune system. Garlic is known to boost the immune system and fight off harmful bacteria, viruses, and fungi. It contains compounds that stimulate the production of white blood cells, which help defend the body against disease. Number 2. Regulates blood sugar levels. Garlic can help regulate blood sugar levels, making it an ideal food for people with diabetes. It increases insulin sensitivity and decreases blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of developing diabetes. Number 1. Promotes heart health. Garlic is beneficial for heart health, as it helps lower blood pressure, reduce inflammation, and prevent blood clots. It also contains compounds that help reduce the formation of plaque in the arteries, reducing the risk of heart disease. So there you have it, the top 10 health benefits of garlic. Start incorporating garlic into your diet today and reap the incredible health benefits it has to offer. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this one.